Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So on the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and on the right we've got the options kind of. So let's tap on them, thanks to which we can open this bar connected with a timer. We've got 3 different options of the timer, like off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be immediately highlighted. You can also see it on the shutter button. So all we have to do right now is to tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, perfect. Of course, you can always turn it off just by tapping on the settings icon again and tapping on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.